Isaac, what's going on?
Hey, what's up?
Nothing. Did you know there's a Dragon Ball Z marathon on?
Dragon Ball Z Marathon?
Yeah. I was thinking maybe we could take speed and stay up all night and watch it.
I don't know, let me talk to the birds. Man, I'm in a dilemma right now. I need to talk to somebody. I need to talk to the birds. The birds, come on, come here. I need help.
What do you need, Isaac?
A friend of mine, he wants me to watch Dragon Ball Z with him, and he wants me to do speed. What should I do?
Well, I think you should hang out with your friend
Yeah?
for moral support, but don't take any speed.
Yeah. What do you think I should do?
I think you should steal his speed. Sell it. Give the money to the church.
Those are both good ideas, but I don't know.